Welcome back my channel. Just relax. Take a deep breath in. And exhale slowly. You're safe here. This is your time, only for you. Let me begin by gently brushing away the stress of your day. Soft strokes, 1, 2, 3. Wipe it all away. You're doing so well. Now, I'm going to take a look at your ears. No need to worry. Everything I do will be soft, gentle, and calming. First, I'll start with a little light. Just shining it in, checking for any buildup. Just a little wax. No problem at all. I'm going to use this tiny tool now. You might feel a little tickle. Just a light scraping sound, like this. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Very slow, very careful. You're doing great. I'll use the soft brush now. Right around the edges. Tap tap, brush brush. Soothing strokes. Round and round. Let the sound calm you. Let it sink deeper into your mind. You can close your eyes if you like. Now the other ear. I'll do the same. Light, soft, no rush. You're not in a hurry anymore. This moment belongs to peace. Scrape, brush, tap. That's right, feel the relaxation. Let me clean a little deeper now. I'll be gentle. Just a tiny spiral tool. Going inside softly. Swirling, twisting, slowly. No pain, just peace. You may hear a slight crackle. That's just the wax loosening. It's okay. Now I'll switch to cotton swabs. Soft, fluffy tips. Dabbing gently. Pat, pat, pat. Letting go of any tension left in your body. There's no need to think anymore. Just listen to the sound. Follow it as it moves. Left ear, right ear. Close, and far. A dance of soft sensations. A lullaby for your mind. I'm going to blow softly into your ear now. A warm breath, like a summer breeze. H. Can you feel it? Yes, let it carry you. Let your shoulders drop. Let your mind float. Every sound is here to help you. To guide you into stillness. I'm almost done now, but there's no rush. We can stay in this calm space for as long as you need.